Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. For people who follow my channel or maybe have watched my videos, they know that I really like my Longer B1. It's this machine. It is a 40 watt laser, it's pretty powerful, and I've done lots of nice projects using this machine. Well, my friends at Longer, they reached out to me and they provided me with this one. It's their brand new Nano Pro. It's a 12 watt galvo style portable laser. This kit's got everything included, so it's got the rotary kit, the bed extension, and they even provided me with the official enclosure. So in this video I want to do a quick unboxing and I want to do some nice projects for Halloween using this machine. So if you like it, give it a thumbs up, watch till the end, subscribe to my channel, and let's get started with the unboxing. So in this box we've got the Nano Pro, the rotary roller and the bed extension. And this box has got the enclosure. So I will start with this one first. Let me put this aside. As you can see, it's nicely well presented, nicely packed. Let me open it to show you what's inside. Let me remove this foam, very thick foam, so well protected, as it should be. Let me take out this bun. It's got many parts in it, including the laser head. So that's the first one. And the second one, let me move this down so I can take it out. It's pretty heavy, so seems to be well built. Here you've got the second bun. As you can see, it's got many aluminium parts for the bed, also the rotary extension. So in the next step, I will take out all the parts and I will show you what they are. And then we can do the quick assembly and start doing some projects. I already mentioned this is a galvo style laser. As you can see, it's got a very big lens on it. The lasers that you normally see me using are like gantry style lasers. So they have stepper motors on the X and Y axis and the head needs to move all the way up and down. So of course this takes some time. This one, it's got very small mirrors inside. So the mirrors, they will go up and down really fast. And this will guide the laser to the correct position. So this is a very quick system. I'm really keen on using this. This is my first galvo style laser. So yeah, let's see how it works. So let me quickly take out all the parts and show you on the table. Of course you've got a manual. It's a very nice manual, nice and clear pictures. Very thick, so that's nice. Declaration of conformity, of course. You've got all these little boxes, they are labeled, so it will tell you what's inside. They even got some tools and also some material where you can engrave on. This is the shroud, so the protective cover for your eyes. Here's another box, let me see. Consumables, so these are the parts that you can use. See, some materials, different materials to engrave on. So that's always nice that they included this in the set. You got the base plate. Let me move this here. The stand. So this is an automatic stand. It's got buttons and you can automatically lower and raise the head of the laser. And as I've mentioned, this is the head of the laser, the heart of the machine. This one is empty. So now let me take out the other one. Got a bracket, it's a foot for the rotary extension, I think. Let me see, these are plates for the bed extension, also nicely sturdy aluminum. Bracket for the rotary extension. These are also part of the rotary kit. This is where you put the head on. So this is the head of the rotary kit. Let me take this out. As I've said, it's a chuck style. Let me see if it, yeah, will stay up. This is part of the rotary kit as well. So you have an extra support for the back side. So also included, you've got some clamps to clamp your products to the bed. You have extra claws for the chuck. So you can add these on. And this is part of the bed extension. Also, let me see if I can take it out. Yep. Here you can mount the bed on. And this is also automatically, so you can move the bed up and down using a stepper motor which is inside. Yeah, let me put it here. And I think, oh, that's more. No, there's something here still. Oh, you've got some more claws for the chuck. So different types. There's a bag inside. It was to cover this one. And I think that's it. So that's all the parts included in this set. Let me take this out so you can see it. Because this shroud also has got an exhaust fan. So it can be turned on automatically via the machine. As you can see on the back, I will show you later up close. It's got all these USB-C ports with a nice coloring. So you know exactly which connector to connect to which port. So that's, yeah, it's well thought out. So in the next step, quick assembly, and then we can start using the machine. So first let's assemble the laser itself. It's nice that they included this toolkit. Well organized, everything is labeled, so you can easily find the correct screws. Let me assemble the stand first. It only takes 4 screws. So you can mount the stand to the base plate. Let me take them out, this one. I can just put it here and then put in the screws. So let me do that. So it's a pretty easy machine to assemble. Only takes a couple of parts. Here you've got this notch. You can put this on the notch. And then using the thumb screw like this, you can secure it. So that's it. Next up, connect the cables. As I've mentioned, they are all color-coded. So you can see on the back of the machine, you see these colors, and they match up with the cables. So the blue one, let me see, yeah, this one. The blue one is for the lift. So this is automatically controlled. Little stepper motor, and you can just move it up and down. This one, it uses magnets. I'm not sure if I can put it on. No, I need to raise it first. But also this one is color coded. Then we've got some cables for the rotary extension and the bed extension. So let me turn it on first so I can raise the head and we can put the shroud on. So I've connected the power. Let's turn it on. As you can hear, the fan is spinning on the back of the machine. Also these buttons light up. These are to adjust the height and to set the focus. There's a ruler included. You can set it manually, or you can use this button. On top of here there's a button. If you press it, you will see 2 LED lights. And once you lower this or raise it, the LED lights will get to each other. And once they are on top of each other, so it's only 1 LED. Let me see if I can show you. Then it's in focus. So it's a pretty easy system to focus. See, like this, now it's 1 LED and then it's in focus. Let me raise it so I can put on the shroud. Let me see, a little bit more. Yeah, let me take off the lens cap. It's magnetically attached, so I can just pop it on like this. Then you can connect the wire. The green one goes into the green connector. And you can hear also this fan spinning now. It's controlled via the machine. So let me take it off. You can clean the fan pretty easily by twisting it. You can take it off, you can clean it, and then you can put it back on. Let me see, like this. You can remove this plate. Let me turn this one off. You can remove this insert. Then you've got a hole in the bottom. If you want to engrave on something like a wall, you can do like this, or you can put it on top of a workpiece. Also, there's a, let me turn it off. There's a knob over here. You can loosen it, and it's got some indentations, so you can set different angles, like this, for instance, or the other way around. If you need to engrave at an angle, you can do so. Like this. Just fasten it again. And now you can engrave, let's say, on something like this. So it's a pretty versatile machine. So next up, let's assemble the rotary kit. I've already collected all the parts needed. So this is put together. You can use the spirit level. If you want to use it with the machine, because of the height, you need to make sure this is high enough. So you've got this bracket. Remove the head, like so. Then you add on this bracket. And you put the head on here. You see, like this. Like so. And now you can use this one with the rotary roller. For instance, like this. This one underneath here. And you can set the, this one you can set as well. Let me show you. If I move it like this. That's it. This is how you, don't forget to connect the rotary roller. There's a USB-C in the back. Connect it here. And this one goes into the yellow connector. And now it's all connected. Next, let's assemble the slide extension. Normally with the machine, you'll have an engraving surface of about 10 by 10 centimeters. When you connect this table, you will enlarge this to about 15 by 35, I think. It's got a stepper motor inside, so it will move up and down automatically when you connect it to the machine. So next up, the assembly, and then we can start using the machine. So it's ready. You can see the table can move up and down. You've got these nice clamps included. You can just clamp it on, and then you can fixate your working piece. Let me see. The connector is on this side. You can connect the same wire as you used for the rotary extension. So this one will also be controlled by the machine. Very nice and very sturdy. So it looks good. So let's just do a quick unboxing of the enclosure. The nice thing is you'll be presented with a nice gift from Longer. There's a letter inside. It's a very nice touch. It says welcome to the Longer family. So that's a nice touch. You've got some small presents included in the kit. Some magnets, Longer magnets. So that's always nice. And you've got a t-shirt. It's a Longer t-shirt with a personal note. So again, it's a nice touch. So I have fully assembled the enclosure. It's a pretty easy assembly. Most of the parts just Velcro on. The bottom is secured using a zipper, so that's also convenient. On the front there's a large opening, so for easy access. Also includes some protective windows. Also on the top, so if you want to look at your work, you can do from the top as well. There's a huge fan, it's like this big. With most enclosures you've got these standard PC fans. This is a lot larger, so I like it. It's got integrated LED lighting with a switch, so you can turn it on and off. The enclosure is a pretty sizable enclosure, so it will not only fit the Nano Pro, but also the rotary kit and the sliding extension table. So I like it. So the Nano Pro, let me tell you up front, I really like this machine. It's a well-built machine, it's very versatile. I did a lot of fun projects, which I will show you in a minute. But it's really a joy. It's incredibly fast because of the galvo style laser. So it uses the mirrors to adjust the laser beam. You don't need to have the gantry going all up and down. So that makes it really fast. That also limits the machine a little bit because you have a small working area because of the mirrors. The laser beam will only start from the middle and it will move like this. So if you have larger projects, you will see that the edges will be like this. It's not straight. Unless you use the extension table, which I've got, and that's also a very nice addition. It will enlarge the working area quite a bit. So I started off with creating the test sheets as I always do for engraving and also for cutting. So I know the speed and power settings for this machine. Then I did some different products and different materials. This, for instance, is a piece of tree. You can see it engraves really nice. You can even feel the depth. So I put it on, I think it was 70 or 80% power. And this is only a 10-watt laser, but still it has done a nice, really nice job. I did a bamboo coaster. Again, it turned out really nice. As you can see, you can really feel the depth to it. Also, because this is almost the exact same size as the bed, it's perfect to put on this machine. But again, if you use the extension table, the sliding table, you can enlarge the working area. This is a slate coaster. Also turned out really nice, as you can see. Nice and bright. So this worked out very well. If you want to do like a bamboo pen, this laser has got a dot size of 0.06 millimeters. So it's really a high resolution engraver. As you can see, all the small objects like a pen, it works great. Then I tried some metallic business cards, like metal business cards. Again, it turned out really nice, as you can see. Very crisp detail. So that works perfect on this machine. I tried some small wooden tiles. First one and the second one. These also came out really nice. You can buy these for very cheap in a bag. They've got these letters on the back. I don't use the letters, but I just use them to engrave on. So maybe it's a nice tip. Just purchase a whole bag of these and you can do some nice things with it. I tried stainless. As you can see, it does work. But you can see you really need to lower the speed and also bump up the power. I think I did this one at 1000 millimeters a minute at 90%. And you can see on the top it's a little bit better than on the bottom. But you can see it really needs a little bit more power or less speed. In this case less speed, because I don't want to use the laser at 100% power. So if you slow it down, let's say to 400 millimeters a minute, you can get some nice results even on stainless. Next one that I did was this one. For this one I used the sliding extension table. As you can see, it's larger than the working area of the machine, so that worked out great. Then I did the engraving on this carton book, and this you can open it, so you can put something inside. So I think it's nice to create this one for Halloween. If the kids get at your door, you can do a trick or treat, put some candies in. So it's a fun project to do, very quick to create, but really fun. I also use the Rotary roller because I have this one. This is a candle holder, and I put these little pumpkins on the middle. Worked out great. Machine didn't skip any beats, so also the Rotary roller is a nice accessory to have. And then finally I created this one. As you can see, this also turned out really nice. Very nice and dark engraving. I like it very much. And the way I created this one is using the machine like this. The machine's got this bed you can take out, and then you got the opening. And you can put the machine on the part you want to engrave on, like this, and then you can just engrave the part. You can set the height of the laser, the focus, and then work like this. Also, you can put the machine, because it's very portable, you can put it on the wall and engrave something on, let's say you want to engrave on this cabinet. Just hold it down and you can engrave like this. I wrote down a little text. I will say next, confirm, confirm, and then it says to push the play button, so I will do this. It will engrave. It will beep that it's finished. It will tell me also on the app. Now I can remove it. So again, very convenient. I think the machine weighs roughly maybe 1.5 kilos, like this. So it's really portable and very compact. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope I showed you what this machine is capable of by doing some of these projects. Of course, you can do a lot more with this machine, and I will for sure do some more projects using this machine on my channel. So stay tuned for that. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!